Second day hair feeling a little meh? Don't worry, I've got you. Today I'm going to share with you some tips and techniques and one of my go-to styles that helps me refresh my hair and is super effortless and chic. All right, so let's start off by refreshing our hair from the day before. And since I already have a ton of product in it from yesterday, I already prepped it with dry shampoo and I have a ton of volumizing products in it, I'm just gonna be refreshing it with water. Give my hair a little spritz around the entire perimeter and my bangs. Now I'm just gonna go ahead and quickly hit this with my blow dryer. And I'm brushing it through as I'm blow drying it to kind of redistribute the old product and reactivate the old product from yesterday. Now you can see how that made my hair look like it's actually freshly washed, just with a little bit of water and a little bit of reactivation. Now that I reactivated some of the products and made it look a little less haggard and a little bit easier to work with, I'm just gonna brush it out and smooth it out. I do wanna mention I filmed a video yesterday is how to style your hair with a flat iron but still have volume. Now, if you haven't watched that video, I do suggest that you watch it so you know exactly what I have in here. But I do have a lot of dry shampoo and I do have a lot of texturizing powder in it. All right, next you're gonna need a little tiny elastic hair tie. You can get this at any CVS, Walgreens, or Amazon. And we are going to put our hair into a little ponytail. Loop-de-loo, and I will show you. You're gonna wanna do a little quick check of the back of your hair. All right, next you wanna take a little elastic rubber band and have a couple on hand because you're probably gonna need a couple of them. My hair is very short and very blunt right now. So I'm gonna take my first rubber band and just put a little ponytail. Now I wanna make sure there's no lumps and bumps before moving on. Maybe if you want to create a little volume by pulling some hair out. But since my hair has no curls in it right now, normally if it had curls, I would make it look a little bit more messy. But this is kind of more of a sleek style since it was very straight yesterday. All right, so next we're going to take another little elastic. And we're going to take this and put this into a little mini loopy bun, I guess you could call it. Now make sure there's no little weird straight pokies hanging out. We're gonna take this little tuft of hair and we're gonna tuck it up underneath with your fingernail. All right, so now we're gonna take a bobby pin. You could either use a regular size bobby pin or a little mini nugget bobby pin. I'm gonna start off with a regular bobby pin to have a little bit more reinforcement. Now we're gonna take this piece of hair and we're gonna kind of hijack a little bit of it and then grab a little bit of the hair on the side and kind of bring it over like that. And it's okay if you see a little bobby pin. Now we're gonna do that to the other side. Now we're gonna pull out a little bit of hair. Be careful with this if your hair is as short as mine. You don't wanna pull out too many stray hairs. All right, next I'm gonna take one over here and do another one down. Take another little small guy. We're kind of just creating a little bun. Now we don't wanna see this elastic up here. So what we're gonna do is just kind of manipulate it a little bit and see where we need to hide things and pull a little bit. Depends on how neat you want it. I never go for a super neat look, so it's okay. Now if little things pop out like that, you could let it be or take one of your tiny little bobbies and then just tuck it back in. Now because my hair is super straight today, I'm using way more bobby pins than I would if I had a curl. Like I said, you don't want it too neat. Maybe you do, you can. It's gonna be almost hard and impossible to do so. All right, so now we want to do something with this little area. And I have these cute little clips like this that I like to use. Sometimes I'll put it on the bottom, sometimes I'll put it on the top. You can just put a little one like right here as like a little decoration. Kind of looks like maybe you just threw it up with that and that's the only thing holding it, which is not the case. And that's really cute. Now with the rest of your hair, you know, since it was second day hair, there's not a whole lot more you have to do. Just a little bit of hairspray. If you want to pull some sides out, be careful, you don't want to ruin it. But really, it's as easy as that. I would just, manipulate your bangs or front pieces if you have them. Get a little spray. And there you have a super cute, effortless, I'm saying effortless because we spent all the work yesterday preparing for it. Not necessarily preparing for this, but it really did help prep it for this style. There you go, salvage second day hair. This is just the second video of the series, how I style my fine thin hair, and I'm gonna get creative. Let me know if there's anything you guys want me to attempt for you or show you, and we'll be back with another cute, fun little, not boring hairstyle. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, share it with a fine-haired fellow friend, and do not forget to hit subscribe so you do not miss out on any more of my future videos, and I'll see you in the next one.